Somebody should make a sitcom out of flooring business.
Hurry up, you guys. This floor is hot and I can't hold on it.
Now what we gotta do is figure out a way to get the whole thing. Oh!
It would do great.
While I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my store's front door.
I'm typically the first one here in the morning by myself, and I hear this tapping on the front door.
Be walking around, come to the front door, and then would fly away. I was actually kind of following Deb.
And he would try and get in the door. We still don't know what he was trying to do.
Could be he's looking in our windows and thinking he sees a possible mate and is love struck.
I could not shoo him away. He ended up staying with us for a couple of weeks at least. Don't know why he left. He just moved on to bigger and better things, I guess.
A few years ago, I was working by myself on a Saturday, and I remember the cops came to the door. I had to clear the premises for a car that they thought there was a bomb in across the street. So that was a good time on a Saturday by myself. I didn't have to work for an hour, so everything worked out. There was no bombs.
About 4 years ago, I remember coming in and the showroom was just empty. And it took a minute or two for me to realize that something was probably wrong. And I remember Debbie running in and she was saying, "There's a cat in the storage pod." We finally get the cat out of the pod. We bring the cat in and we put it in a box. So the rest of the day, there was just this box labeled cat. It really took me to that episode in Arrested Development where they have a dove in the refrigerator. You just open the box and you say,
I don't know what I expected.
Ken's son Alex now takes care of that cat. His name is Modi. He's living his best life and has all the canned tuna that he could ever dream of.